Is there any cosmology branch in India? How can a person in India become a cosmologist? Okay, so cosmology is a branch of physics that deals with the chronology and the history of the universe and the physics of the universe at very large scales, the large scale structure of the universe, and it combines astronomy and the laws of physics and also sometimes chemistry, etc., to understand how the universe evolved over time and what is going to be the ultimate fate of the universe in the very distant future. So that's what cosmology is about. So how do you become a cosmologist in India or anywhere else? First of all, so to become a cosmologist, you need to have a solid understanding of theoretical physics. You need an understanding of general relativity, of quantum mechanics, of electromagnetism, of solid state physics, and various other allied and associated branches of physics. You need to have a very good understanding of all these various branches of physics. So, and I'm not sure if any universities in India offer courses in cosmology, but there are certain some. So what you would need is you would need at least a master's degree in physics in with your specialization in either quantum physics or nuclear physics or general relativity or quantum physics or electromagnetism or one of these closely allied fields in theoretical physics or maybe solid state physics, etc. You would need a master's degree in that, maybe a PhD in that, and then maybe you would get uh, employment in one of the institutes, one of the few institutes in this country, in India, which do have some research in cosmology. So I think the Physical Research Laboratory in Ahmedabad has some research in cosmology maybe happening there. TIFR Mumbai, perhaps. Then there is a National Center for Radio Astrophysics. I think it's a branch of TIFR in Pune, which does do some astronomical, astrophysical, cosmological research to some extent. You have the Raman Research Institute in Bangalore, the Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore. You have IUCA, Inter University Consortium or Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics, again in Pune. And you have the Indian Institute of Space Science. I think it is in Trivandrum. So these are some of the Indian institutes, research institutes that do some research in cosmology. So that is the path you would have to take. You would need a master's degree and possibly a PhD in one of these specializations. And then you can apply for a job in one of these institutes or institutions. And that's how you would become a cosmologist. If you do want to make a real difference and do genuine research in cosmology, you will have to go abroad. Now, you know very well what I feel about this. I would very much want to see world class research being done in India. As of today, it is not the case. There is no real cutting edge world class science research being done in India anywhere. So, if you really want to become a genuine world class cosmologist and do some real difference in research in cosmology, you would need to go to another country, maybe in Europe, maybe in North America, etc. And maybe in the future, when India does get its act together and start doing genuine research, then maybe you can come back and contribute to the country. But that is, in short, how you would become a cosmologist. That is the path you would follow towards becoming a cosmologist in India.